National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Washington County and northeastern Oklahoma, eastern Osage County and northeastern Oklahoma, until 8:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line from near Bartlesville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. This is radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bartlesville, Pawhuska, Copen, Dewey, Ochalata, Avant, Ramona. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for damaging winds and large hail. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building and away from windows. Repeating, the National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Washington County and northeastern Oklahoma, eastern Osage County and northeastern Oklahoma, until 8:25 p.m.